All right, you guys, this is really strange, and I know this doesn't look quite right, but I am actually doing this from my phone because my computer screen started vibrating so much that I don't know that you guys can even see it if I did try to upload it. So we are going to do the Pythagorean theorem. We're going to work on the extra practice. I'm going to do, 4 of these, and then see if you guys can do some as well, okay? So just like before, oh dear, we were trying to figure out whether or not these made the sides of a right triangle. And one of the things that I've realized is that if you add 24 plus 42, you need to have a number that's going to be less than 32. There's no way that 24, oh my gosh, why are you doing this to me? There's no way that 24 squared plus 42 squared is going to equal 32 squared. It's just not going to happen. So I'm going to take this off for a second here. 24 squared plus 42 squared is not going to equal 32 squared. So this is what it's going to look like. It's not going to happen. So it is not a right triangle. So I'm going to say that's a no. Definite no. Okay, this little thing right here is the biggest problem right now. So, all right. So here we're going to try to find the value of x. So we have, remember, x is going to be either a or it's going to be b, but this one, because it's the opposite of that right angle, is the hypotenuse. So this is always c. Okay? So we have c squared. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So what we don't have is a. So we're going to come over here and we're just going to say that a squared plus 16 squared should be equal to 20 squared. This is going to be interesting because I do not have a calculator at the moment because I'm using my phone. So, yeah, I think I'm going to have to borrow my husband's. Because I can't do 16 squared in my head, go figure. Seems a little weird, huh? But it's probably just not going to happen. So, no. So he made the classic mistake. He said 16 squared is 32. We know that's not right. 16 squared is 16 times 16, not times 2. So 16 squared is 16 times itself twice. So 16 times 16 equals... It's going to be 256. Whoa. All right. So we have a squared plus 256 is going to equal 20 squared. So, and that's going to give us 400. So we're going to go ahead and subtract 256 from 400, and that will give us what a squared is. Subtract it from this side as well. So, all right, so now we have 250, so 400 minus 256 gives us 144, and then we find the square root, and the square root of 144 is 12. So I happen to know that one. So 8 equals 12. So over here, this missing side, x, is 12 miles. Okay. All right, so we're going to do number 5. All right, we have, well, this is a straight a squared b squared equals c squared because we've got a, we've got b, and we just need to find c. Okay, so our formula is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. We have a squared, that's going to be 5 squared plus 12 squared is going to equal c squared. So we should know 5 squared is 5 times 5, or 25, plus what we just found up here, 12 squared is 144. It's going to equal c squared. So we're going to add, oh, there goes my lead. Alrighty then. It's going to hop around on the page there for a bit. Oh, huh. It's breaking all over the place, isn't it? Okay, so we have 144 plus 25, which is 169. equals c squared. So the square root of 169 is what we're looking for. And so I'm going to turn this calculator sideways, and I'm going to find out what the square root is of 169. So on this one, maybe it's a little bit different. Maybe you guys have this kind of a deal. I want to find square root on here. So I'm looking. I'm thinking hard. I'm thinking it's this one though, right here, because this is going to be the cube root. So we're going to do square root of 169. Oh, okay, so 169, and then we'll do the square root of equals. Nope. No. Let's see here. That was not the right one. So, yeah. So I wonder if I do. Let's see. I'm thinking it's 13, actually. So let me see. Yeah, I was right. Should have gone with that anyway. Okay, square root of 169 is 13. So this x equals 13 yards. Okay? All right. Last one we're going to do is 7. So 7 looks tough, but it's really not. It's asking us to find the length of the diagonal through the middle of the rectangular prism. So we're still looking for x. All right.
Easy.
But we're going to look for 2 of these actually, because okay. Length of the diagonal. Oh wait. Well, burp. Okay. We have we're looking for this for x. Okay, we have this one, and we have this one actually. It's going to take us a little bit. Okay, so we have this side and we have this side. Because we have this side, so it's 28 by 28 by 28, okay? Which means that this is 21. We just have to figure out what this is first before we can figure out this. Okay, so let's do 28 squared. So 28 squared plus 21 squared. Oh my goodness. Okay, 28 squared plus 21 squared is going to give us this length right here. Okay, so we're going to say 28 squared plus 21 squared is going to give us this side right here. We're going to call this y. All right, that side we're looking for first. Okay, so come on over here. This calculator we can do. You guys are not going to be able to see very well because of the light shining in there. So let me just do it for you here. Well, let me show you what you would do. You would do 28, okay, and then you're going to find this button right here, squared, all right? And it gives you 784. So that's going to be 784 plus, and I'm going to come back over here and clear this out. And, oh, double lights. Yeah. Okay. Well, oh, geez. No matter how I do this, is not good, huh? Oh, there's a little bit better. Okay, so 21. Oh, that's 54. I don't want that. Okay, so 21. And then squared, which is 441. Excuse me. Equals y. So, oops, y is down here. Okay, so let's add those two together. So we got 1,225. I'm pretty sure I know what that one is as well. I believe the square root of 1,225 is 15, but I could be wrong, so we'll see here. Nope, 225. Okay, yeah. Well, you know, you never know. Okay, so get down. Ooh. Let's see here. Get down.
Get down.
There. So 1,225 square root. Oh, 35. Okay, so what I did was I hit the second function, and you can see right here, that is the square root button. Okay, so when you hit the second function, you get that. So my answer is actually 35. Okay, so here we have 35. So okay, so what I've done is I found this one right here. So I know this one here, That one is 21. So this is 21. This is 35. And now I can figure out what x is. I want to know what that one is, okay? So we're going to say that 21 squared plus 35 squared equals c squared. And I know what 21 squared is. I had it right here. So that's 441 plus I know what 35 squared is. I just did it. So that's 1,225 equals what we're looking for, c squared. So I'm going to scoot this over a little bit more. So I'm going to add them together, and I've got 1,225 plus 441, and I get 1,666 equals c squared, and I'm going to find the square root of that, and that's going to give me my answer. So square root is 40.81. We're going to round it to 40 and 82 hundredths. Because of this 6, we're going to round this number up. So our x is equal to 40 and 82 hundredths inches. Okay, that, ooh, holy Toledo, can't see that very. There you go. Okay, that is number 7. All right, you guys are going to do numbers 2, 3, oh, no, yeah, 2, wow, 3. See, they did it again. That says 4. So this will be 3. Oh, no, never mind. I am wrong. I am so wrong. It's okay. It's all right. You're going to do 2, 4, 6, and 8 because I did 1, 3, 5, and 7. Okay, so that should be your job for today. And this one's going to be a bit of a challenge, number 8. That's okay. I think you guys can get it. You've got all the pieces you need, so don't panic. You've got all the things that you need to do in this one. You're going to have to just use your formula. Just remember that it's going to be the a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And in this case, here's the right angle. This is your c squared, all right? And this is a right angle as well, so here's your other c squared, okay? So just try to look for those, and I'm sure you will be able to figure this out. All right, you guys. So I think what I'm going to do is, let's see what, oh, we were going to try to get through distance formula. I don't think that's going to happen. I think probably what's going to happen is I will post one more video and finish up Pythagorean theorem, and that'll be the end of that. All right. Okay. Have a fantastic afternoon, you guys, and I will hopefully see you soon. Bye.